Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert or make a table in your photo editing projects on Adobe Express Photos. For instance, if you'd like to, add data to the given table and make it a part of a presentation here. So let us guide you through it. Navigate to Adobe Express Photos with your Adobe account, navigate to the given photo project, and start adding the table by navigating to add content here by choosing charts and grids. From that menu, navigate to tables. You may expand that menu by clicking to view all. I will go with the standard table 4x5 here. Now, what you want to do next is use that handle here at the bottom to position it. You may also resize it by using these handles here or in the bottom right or top left corner. So how can you add more rows and columns to the given table? You can do that by clicking into these buttons here at the top, add row, add column. How can you enter value here into these cells? By clicking into them with your left mouse and by entering the value. You may also resize the rows, cells and columns by using these handles here or that lines here. Let me just resize that one and also this one. So you see how it works, guys, now. And last but not least, you may click into edit here and then you will see that customization menu. You may change or switch to a different font for your cells here. Choose or apply bold letters, italic letters, change the font color, font size. Use a fill color for a cell, like for instance that one if you'd like to highlight a specific cell with a specific color, the border color, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.